because I'm bored, I'm gonna do a hair video on how I get my hair twisted up or whatever I do to it. Here we go. First thing I do is I wet it. Just some warm water. Nice and wet. When I wash it, I use, shampoo, some good shampoo. Not really. Some Suave, and I condition it also. But then, gotta have a pick. Pick it out. You gotta hold a pick to pick it out. Pick it out. You don't want it to be too wet. If it's too wet, well, it won't twist up like it should. Old school, like the 90s with the flat, with the high top fade. I need to get a fade though, but this is during Corona time, so it ain't no barbershops open. Well, I'm sure somebody cutting hair somewhere though, but I ain't going there. All right, next thing you need is a sponge. I didn't even know about this. Shout out to my man Landon. He hooked me up, let me know. And I didn't know. Landon a white boy. That's some racist shit I said, but Landon knew about something that I didn't even know. So shout out to my man. Here we go. So, and I do this before I put the gel in it, just to get it started up good. Some people say go the same direction all the way around the head, like switch with your left hand, do it with your right hand. I ain't that good with my left hand, so I just go around. It just is what it is. I ain't a fashion model. You see it's starting to get a little separation already. So now, just when I put a gel in there, I need to get a new sponge too. Echo is the brand that I use. This one works the best. The Argon. But I bought this one and I'm cheap, so I gotta use it. All right, so I don't use a whole lot of gel. I just dip my finger in there. Get about that much. That's about a dime size drop. Depends on your hair or whatever. Yeah. Move it around and put it on my scalp also. Then back to the sponge. Yeah, buddy. I pat it down a little bit. Boom, boom. There it is. So, sponge my head up. Got my little T'Challa twist in there. Black Panther, baby. Wakanda forever. Let me do it right. Wakanda forever. Yeah. K-Dub 5150. Under 5 minutes. Peace.